Hi, this is Joe. Welcome to part one of my video blog for the RC Race Information Display Board project. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go through all of the different stages of building a race information display board for RC racing. And I'm going to be using an Arduino Uno as the microcontroller. And one of the first things I've identified that I need to do is to be able to get information out of the computer from a race RC timing program and into the Arduino for processing and then onwards transmission onto the board. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to try to get some information into the Arduino from the computer, and I'll get the serial monitor in the Arduino IDE, the development environment, to give me feedback that transmission from computer to Arduino has happened. So to do that, I'm going to use one of the examples in the Arduino IDE. It's under example 04 communications and serial event. And basically what serial event does is it waits for an event to happen on the serial bus through USB in this case, and then basically reads the information from the serial buffer and passes it to a variable, and then reads the variable out back over the serial bus into the serial monitor of the Arduino IDE. So I'll just show you that happening. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to it's already running in the I've already compiled and uploaded it to the Arduino. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on the serial monitor, and then what we've got is we've got a little text box here that we can send messages to the Arduino. So this one says hello. So if I send that, okay, it's not running then. Oh, my apologies, it needs a new line. So it's in the code that it needs a new line. So I'll just stick it in there. So hello, and I should get two hellos now because I've typed hello, sent it, typed hello again, and now it's got the new line. It's going to recognize that it's got the new line, and then store that and pass it back out on the serial bus back to the computer, back to the computer on the serial monitor. So there you go, two hellos. So I'll just do that one more time. So at the moment the buffer's clear. As soon as I type hello, and that's going to go to the Arduino. It's going to be picked up in the serial buffer, passed into a variable by the serial event function, and then the loop function of the Arduino code. Now the next time it comes around and there's something in the variable that was stored in the serial event function, it's going to pass that back out from the Arduino back to the computer for us to look at in the serial monitor. There you go. So that is basically, we know now that the Arduino receives data over the USB line.